identifying the purchase before, but when I came here, I was astonished. How come it was so easy and understandable? So I am explaining before you. First of all, sorry. CS cursor, for CS cursor to identify, we will have to have a look at the top right corner of the record. There you will find the quotient number. Understand? So this is on top of the page on your right hand corner. And when it comes to asset cursor, record, you will see on your left side, on top of the page on your left side. So this is assay. So without paying any more attention or spending much time, you are able to recognize two cursors easily. Only having a look at quotient numbers. So and there are other distinctions if you want to say that when you see CS cursor, you will see there are two parts, up and down. In upside, you will find the names of the kings, and downside the positioning persons, the person who has possessed.
The subject of
Yes, in the downside.
the subject of the citizen.
Yes, anyway. So let's come to asset. So asset cursor, you will see that is not, that is horizontal, not vertical.
Yes.
So you will see that left to right, not up to down. So this cursor is also easy, but in asset cursor you will find everything in one page only. But in CS cursor you have in two pages. Especially the tag number, plot number was on the back. Anyway, let's come to RS cursor. So in RS cursor you will find up and down, and the plot number is on back part, and here you will find the quotient number in the middle of the page on the top. So this is about RS, and in RS you will find this is okay about RS. Let's come to quotient. So when it comes to quotient number, in quotient number you will see the hissa, parts or shares. Shares are described in Ojutangsha, counting 1000. So and in CS or essay there was CS or essay there was anaconda kora like this, and here Ojutangsha. Well, so this is all about records, and after that we learned how to prepare Farayas. To distribute the inherited land. Okay, so here we found there were 12 fixed sharers. So grandfather, father, husband, and stepbrother.
Yes.
And 8 were fixed for the women. To be honest, I'm not mentioning their name as my memory doesn't support me that much. Anyway, mother, then wife, then daughters, and stepdaughters perhaps, son of daughters. Okay, I will explain it later in time. That is a matter of memorizing. Okay, and as we are here, we take help from the documents. So nothing is required to be memorized. Understand? So we shouldn't have any headache. So let's come to, after that we learn how to measure land. Okay, how to measure land.
Measurement.
In the measurement, we learned how to count the amount of land. In that perspective, we used, that is called
Triangle.
triangle. And rectangular,
Yes,
or some other things. Okay, and there we learned when it comes to that's called tribus. I forgot the
Triangle.
name. Triangle. We just added. We just added 3 items. Then after adding, we just divided by 2. So we found half of the amount, and we measure this way. Half into again half minus 1 part, and half minus another part, half minus another part. This is how we counted. Anyway,
You can mention the theory. I think that you can.
Theory. So this is how we measure.
Here's
So
measurement.
we will have papers, and as per the papers, we will be counting. That won't be any problem. Okay, this is not the matter of memory. Anyway, so after measuring, we learned how to see maps, how to read maps. So maps are of two kinds. One is prepared by the government, another is pantograph. So in pantograph, the demarcations are defined by distinctive colors. For CS one color, RS another color, SA another color, Citizenship another. So there are 4 colors. So there is no sum to realize, to understand. I do enjoy it when I was stationed in state measurement. Okay, especially that happened in Kakrail in a rainy day. Okay, anyway, so after that we learned, how to tie a suit. That what we have learned today. So today in filing we learned at the very outset we have to prepare a plate. So in plane, at the top of the plane we write the name of the court, and then the plaintiff's name and address, and below that the defendant's name and address. After that the value of the land, what is it we say, and then
Redemption.
we write everything. After writing, we write the history of the case. Titles, yes, titles, and then cause of action we write. After conclusion, at the end of the plate, we place, that is called pair. Understand?
Yes.
So in pair, this is to that, if there is possibility to demand other remedies, we had better mention, otherwise we will be penalized. Even the plate may be rejected.